On the iconic Connect the News show this week, in the wake of the firing by Fox News of the cable news host Tucker Carlson for the crime of telling the truth, not least about Big Pharma, who has massive financial interests in both Fox News and Big Pharma? MP Andrew Bridgen is expelled from the cult-owned Conservative Party for telling the truth about the damage to health and the causes of death from the fake vaccines. And the former health secretary, Matt Hancock, who is responsible for the death and health destruction of untold numbers because of his policies, says that anyone who communicates misinformation about the fake vaccines should be jailed. Which is good news, really, because it means that he will be going to jail for the rest of his life then, as he should. That's the iconic Connect the News show from 7 p.m. every Friday. And you could take out a free 7-day trial with Iconic whenever you choose.